Once upon a time, in a cozy little town, there lived a cheerful dog named Buddy. Buddy loved to explore and make new friends. One sunny morning, Buddy decided to visit the park. With his tail wagging and ears perked up, he trotted off, ready for a day of fun. At the park, Buddy met a shy squirrel named Sammy. Sammy was trying to find acorns but couldn't reach the high branches. Buddy, being the helpful pup he was, offered to help. He jumped up and shook the tree gently, making the acorns fall to the ground. Sammy was so happy and thanked Buddy for his kindness. Next, Buddy saw a group of puppies playing a game of fetch. They invited Buddy to join, and he happily agreed. They ran, jumped, and chased the ball, having the best time ever. Buddy even taught them a new trick he had learned: how to catch the ball in midair. As the sun began to set, Buddy noticed a little girl crying because she had lost her favorite toy. Buddy's keen nose quickly picked up the scent, and he found the toy hidden under a bush. The little girl was overjoyed and gave Buddy a big hug. Buddy returned home that evening, tired but happy. He had made new friends, helped others, and had an unforgettable adventure. And from that day on, Buddy was known as the friendliest and most helpful dog in the town.